Sunlight breaks across the sky, painting gold in my mind's eye. Every shadow starts to fade, every doubt begins to trade. The breeze reminds me I'm alive. In this calm my dreams survive. The world is slow, the colors blend. I find my peace where moments bend, and I breathe the golden air, feel the freedom everywhere. In the golden air I rise, open hearts, open skies, every heartbeat pure and clear. I am light, I disappear, let the silence guide my way through the dawn of a brighter day. Every sound and every prayer drifts within this golden air. The world awakens slow and kind. I leave my worries far behind. Gentle laughter, distant calls. The sunlight dances on the walls, every leaf and every tree sings a quiet symphony. I'm lost in glow, I'm lost in sound, where peace and wonder both are found. In the air I find release, my heart begins to speak in peace. In the golden air I ride, open hearts, open skies, every heartbeat pure and clear. I am light, I disappear, let the silence guide my way through the dawn of a brighter day. Every sound and every prayer drifts within this golden air. Time stands still, I let it flow through my veins, the sunlight glows. I see my soul in every hue. This golden air feels born anew. In the golden air we rise, chasing dreams across the skies. Every tear begins to fade, replaced by peace the light has made. Through the rhythm, through the flame, I breathe again, I call your name. Every sound, every prayer carries love through golden air. In the stillness I repair, I'm alive in golden air. The sun is low, the world's asleep. I hold a light I wanna keep. The colors melt, the shadows sigh. We fade beneath the ember sky. The air is warm, the night is near. Your voice is all I long to hear. Every glow and every sound feels like peace I finally found. I close my eyes, I feel the hue. The sky is gold, it looks like you. And sea is calm, the wind is kind. It clears the noise inside my mind. The sky reflects the world I know, where endless tides just come and go. My footprints fade into the sand as waves erase what I once planned. Every sound, a soft release. The ocean whispers, find your peace. I let the current take my hand. It pulls me far beyond the land. Blue horizon, wide and free. You're the calm inside of me. Every breath a gentle wave, carrying the life you gave. Blue horizon, endless view. I lose myself, I feel brand new. Every color soft and true paints my soul in shades of blue. The sunlight breaks across the sea, a golden spark of memory. I feel the rhythm slow and pure, a heartbeat strong, a spirit sure. The past dissolves into the deep, where all my dreams have gone to sleep. But in the tide, I feel them rise, reflected in these endless skies. The waves remind me I'm alive. The sea and sky begin to thrive. Blue horizon, wide and free. You're the calm inside of me. Every breath a gentle wave, carrying the life you gave. Blue horizon, endless view. I lose myself, I feel brand new. Every color soft and true paints my soul in shades of blue. The tide will turn, the night will fall, but I can still remember it all. Every sound, every hue feels like peace returning through. Blue horizon, take me home. I was never meant to roam. Every dream, every hue finds its way through skies of blue. Blue horizon, I am free. Part of earth, part of sea. Every breath, every view, live forever blue and true. The ocean fades, the stars appear, but I still feel the calm right here. The world turns slow, the night is new. My heart drifts on. Blue horizon. soft and low. Whisper dawn. A quiet peace that takes me there. Whisper dawn, call my name, wash away the night's remains. Every breath, a spark of light, turning dark to golden bright. Whisper dawn, I'm alive. In your glow I will survive. Every dream the stars have drawn, I can hear them in your song. Don't fade too fast, just stay a while. Your light becomes my reason, my smile. Every sound feels born anew. Every hue reminds of you. Whisper dawn, light my way through the calm. I choose to stay. Every heart that's been withdrawn finds new peace in whisper dawn. Whisper dawn, I'm alive. Feel your warmth, I will revive. Every hope, every song breathes forever. The night is gone, the light is grown. I'm finally home. Whisper dawn. Floating through the endless night, chasing stars beyond the light. Every sound a gentle wave carries all the peace I crave. Time dissolves, the sky turns clear. I feel your voice inside my ear. Whisper soft like silver mist. We fade away, we coexist. the sound of you and me. Shadows move and colors glow. Memories from long ago. Every breath feels like a dream, flowing gently in between. The silence of the world stands still. My thoughts surrender to your will. We fall like rain into the sea, dissolving in infinity. The stars align above the tide, above the tide. The night becomes our only guide. We drift eternal through the air. No beginning, we're just there. Every heartbeat, every sigh fades like light into the sky. Floating softly far from pain. In this calm we'll still remain. We drift eternal, lost and free in the sound of you and me. Close your eyes, don't be afraid. Let the silence serenade. Every fear begins to fade in the peace that we have made. We drift eternal side by side, through the storm and through the tide. Every second feels like new, every sound reminds of you. Floating softly far from pain, in this calm we'll still remain. We drift eternal endlessly in the sound of you and me. In the sound of you and me. Let it go, let it be, lost forever in the sea. Every wave, every lift carries us eternal trip. Stars align above my head. Whispers from the light they shed. The sky is wide, the world is slow. I drift where only dreamers go. My heart beats soft, the air is thin. I feel the calm beneath my skin. The night unfolds, the shadows gleam. I'm floating through lends its gentle grace. Coffee steam and amber skies, open hearts and open eyes. The quiet hum of a brand new day sweeps the darkest thoughts away. Every color starts to shine, every heartbeat falls in line, and I feel the rhythm rise inside, where dreams and daylight coincide. Let the morning glow take me slow through the fire, through the flow. Every shadow fades away when the sun begins to play. Let the warmth unfold, pure and gold. In this peace my hands I hold, every breath begins to show I'm alive in the morning glow. Gentle winds begin to speak of calm tomorrows that we see. The day ahead feels soft and kind, like a melody in my mind. Silver rays on city glass, time slows down, moments last. I find my rhythm in the breeze, the sound of calm, the soul at ease. The world awakens pure and wide, with peace and love I cannot hide. Let the morning glow take me slow through the fire, through the flow. Every shadow fades away when the sun begins to play. Let the warmth unfold, pure and gold. In this peace my hands I hold, every breath begins to show I'm alive in the morning glow. Don't let it fade, don't let it go. The calm inside, the gentle flow. The world turns slow, the light will stay. I find my soul in a brighter day. Let the morning glow guide my way to a better, brighter day. Every color, every sound feels like love all around. Let the warmth unfold, pure and gold. In this peace my story told. Every dream begins to grow. I am alive in the morning glow. Morning fades, but I still know peace remains in the morning glow. Soft waves call my name again, footprints fading in the sand. Every whisper of the wind takes me where my soul began. The sunlight dances on my skin. I breathe the calm, I let it in. The ocean sings a melody, a song of peace and harmony. I close my eyes, I drift away. The world feels quiet, night meets day. silhouettes upon the sea, painting dreams for you and me. Every shadow starts to glow, the deeper currents pull below. I hear your voice inside the phone. It whispers softly, you're not alone. I follow rhythm, hard to wave into the peace that oceans gave. Silence speaks, I hear it call. The rise, the fall, I feel it all. Let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time, floating free, endlessly. I'm alive with the ocean breeze. Don't wake me yet, I'm dreaming still. The sea is calm, the world stands still. In this place where hearts can heal, the water knows what words can't feel. Let the waves wash my mind, take me far from space and time, floating free, endlessly. I'm alive with the ocean breeze. I fade into the morning glow. The ocean whispers, now you know. In this calm I find my peace, forever lost in the ocean breeze.